Welcome back to Garden of Treats. Today we are going to plant peppers. So I actually had to purchase some peppers from our local nursery. It's a local organic nursery right around the corner from our house. It's called Wolf Blooms and Berries. It's a huge, beautiful nursery. If you ever come near Bowling Green, Ohio, you should definitely check them out. And so I purchased about 6 or 7 peppers from them. And then we also purchased some peppers from a local woman who has just like a small garden, and she had extra pepper seedlings that she sprouted and she was selling them. And so we got about 12 from her. And then I already had approximately 8 cherry, what do you call them? Not cherry, purple beauty bell peppers that actually sprouted, and they were big enough to transplant. And so I'm going to be transplanting, well, I already transplanted those, but I'll give you a look at how they're looking. And then we have some pepper plants in the back that I use the heat map to start those, but they're not ready to be transplanted. But I'll show you guys those, and I'll plant those a little later on in the season, and those will probably be harvested more towards July, August. So yeah, stay tuned. So from the lady down the road, we purchased jalapenos and California Wonder peppers. Those were the only varieties I believe we purchased from her, and I'll show you what we purchased from the nursery. So here's a look at the peppers that we purchased from the nursery. We have a bell orange. As you can see, it already has some blooms on there, so that's good. We have a Big Bertha sweet pepper. We have a sriracha pepper. As you can see, sriracha peppers are already on there. What is this one? This one is a pepper growing on there. This is a bell purple pepper. So this is like the same ones that I already got sprouted, but they already have peppers growing on them, so that's why we grabbed those. California Wonder, which is basically just a bell pepper. We have a sweet cherry. And lastly, we have a chili pepper. And that one already has one growing as well. So yeah.
So if you don't know how to use this, what you do is you hold this piece right here and you screw this piece. So it's opposite for this though. So right is loose and left is tight. And this is only for a drill because lefty loosey, righty tighty is everything else. So. Gold right there. Hey. Here, hand me your hand it here. Hand me your bar. Hand it here. Hand it to me. Hand it to me. Thank you. Oh, we could have brought clips out because they told us for
Pepper stash.
green buckets. Check the YouTube how to get these green buckets for free. Oh, I'm tipping over, y'all. Oh, here go some tags. Here, you can hold these. It was in this bucket.
Oh, I know what it is. I'm actually gonna need those for the market.
Cool, Marley don't lose them. Mommy said she's gonna need those for the market, mama. And if you have not yet, stop the video right now, pause it, like this video, and subscribe. You feel me? If you participate and help grow on this channel, we can grow more food.
Poopy.
What? Did you say poopy? What type of pepper is that?
This one?
Yeah.
Sriracha.
Sriracha.
This is Big Bertha.
A Big Bertha and Sriracha. Fun fact, when I was in college at Michigan State University, I did a campaign on Sriracha, and it was called Sriracha Got You Hot. Sriracha got you hot. Feels amazing out here. What you doing? You putting tags? Okay.
This is a bell orange.
A bell orange. Hey. Yo, chill out, young lady.
Berry?
No, that's not a berry.
Berry?
That's not a berry. Yeah. What is it?
This is a California Wonder.
California Wonder. So that's like a bell pepper, y'all. What you doing?
So I'm not gonna water it because it's already wet.
All right.
Berry? Nana?
There you go. What we got?
Sweet cherry.
Sweet cherry. So these are little peppers like this big. Sweet cherry. Say pepper. Say pepper. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy.
Thank you. This is a purple bell pepper.
Purple bell pepper. So
If
how?
you want to know, it started off green. See? There's one.
Oh wait. What's the best way to get your plants out of the containers to transplant them? How do you do it?
So I squeeze it until they loosen up and it just comes right out.
All right.
But you don't want them too wet because then the soil break all up and this is hard to get out. So these are nice and they're not too wet. They moist, but they're not too wet to where I can't get it.
Hey, don't do that. This girl over here de-plucking stuff. What you need?
Child, what you doing to my plants?
She plucking them. She pruning them.
I was looking for the sign to this one.
Marty said make a new one.
The flowers are purple. It looks like I got some, not flower, but the pollen or something purple.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Oh, this is another pepper. Oh, I gotta make another hole. Cause this is a bell pepper from the background.
A bell pepper? Alright. This is a garden Treatz pepper. What we got?
Fresno chili.
Fresno chili. What's your favorite pepper? Drop it in the comments right now. Drop your favorite pepper in the comments. And what is your hot ratio? Do you like your peppers hot or sweet? I'm not a fan of hot stuff for real. I like sriracha, but I like it for the flavoring and not overbearing because I'm not a spicy guy, you feel me? I don't like it too hot. Well, good thing we got a watering bucket there. Call those peppers. Call those.
Pepper row getting a little long.
Yeah, looking beautiful. This is the pepper aisle. Here, catch. Oh. The pepper toss.
See, this is what I mean by when it's too wet. It's all broken up.
Yeah. So if you plan on transplanting, you may want to water your plants the day before, and then so the next day before you transplant it, and through the night, they got time to soak up that moisture so they can just pop right out of their containers. And everywhere you see a white line, there is food. So every white line down the rows are food. See, tomatoes, turnips, onions, melons. Yep. Yep.
So here's a look at the peppers that I sprouted using the heat mat. So as you can see, the entire tray did not germinate. However, majority of the plate did germinate. It said to take the plate off when half of the plate germinated, and so I did that, and it seems like only those ones that germinated came up. So yeah, they look good, but they're too small to transplant. They need at least 4 leaves to transplant.